This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Action. So I want to do something new today. Something that has never done. Something that has never been done before by me. I want to crochet a top out of crochet flowers. So I do have a lot of scrap yarn, so I'm going to try to use this pile right here for the whole tank top. And I'm going to make a tank top because it's summertime. No point of actually, exerting myself in making a sweater when you can't wear it right now anyways. Let's go simple and go home. Go small, go home. Why go big when you can go small? So I really want each flower to be different, so I'm not going to replicate these two I've already made. Let's try making a third different flower. So there's no pattern for this top. I'm pretty much looking up on Pinterest flower patterns. Then I'm getting this little chart here, and I'm just following that and just creating flowers from that. Also, I have 3 dogs here right now with me, so 100% this video is going to be so hectic. We have Mr. Benson back there, Old Man Benson. We have Mr. Jackie. And the newest addition for today's video, this is Billy. And no, I did not adopt another dog. He's my sister's dog. Jack, stop licking. I was thinking it was gonna be kind of ugly, but kind of fire. I'm sorry, I had a late start to the day. Beautiful. I know some people are gonna hate me for this, but I am not one to preheat my oven, and I'm also not one to put a timer on. Yeah, I think that looks good. Oh. Perfect diamond. 10 out of 10. So I just finished my 5th flower. It is 5:14. So not great progress considering I started at like 2 and I only have 3 more flowers than I started with. So we're gonna have to pick up the pace a little bit. Look how pretty this circle is. Now I just gotta do the petals. Billy has just been sitting with me for the last little bit. I think Jack and Benson are outside. Are you guys suntanning? Look at all these dogs. For the petals, is it weird that I do it in brown? I feel like this is gonna be so tiny. I might have to add on to this one. Oh, this looks fire. This looks real good. I think this one's my favorite one so far. So my dogs just ate, or dogs and Billy just ate. And I am not a magician, so I cannot take 3 dogs out to go pee at once. So this is gonna have to be a 2-tripper to get them to all go pee. Who wants to go pee first? I think Billy wants to go first. Benson, go away. Okay, Benson should be easier. So this one I'm working on right now. I was trying to load a pattern to make another flower, but then I couldn't load one, so I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna try to make up one on the spot. So not sure if it's gonna work out. It might look a little wonky, but hey, not all flowers are perfect, like me. But this one could be, because I'm making it in my brain. So we're just gonna take a quick break from the video because today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. If you guys have not heard of Squarespace before, they are this amazing website where you guys can go and create your own professional looking website. I personally made my website with Squarespace and I've been using them since college. Some of my favorite features are, 1, you can have an online store with physical and digital products. 2, if you have an online store, you can also offer local pickup to your local customers. And lastly, if you are an artist designer like myself, but you don't have any products you want to sell, you can actually set up an online gallery where you can put a password on it, and then only the people with the password can see it. Head to squarespace.com/JennaPhipps to start your free trial, and then after your free trial, be sure to use my code JennaPhipps at checkout, and you'll get 10% off your domain or website. So for this next one, I got the little perfect circle here, and I'm gonna be doing a daisy one. All the ones I've kind of done are kind of like similar to this style, so I feel like I gotta change it up because I do want some like open space in the top, and to achieve that, daisies kind of like this that will maybe pop a nipple. I don't know. I am so excited to sleep tonight. So it's not looking too hot right now, the daisy, but it will get better when I steam it and get it all, you know, proper, but there's potential. So I have enough, I think, flowers where I can actually start pinning it on my mani, and then see how many I have to make more. I hope I'm over halfway. So good news and bad news. Good news, we'll start with the good news. I think it looks great. I think it looks pretty good. Bad news, I need more because this side, possibly pop a tit. This side, 100% pop a tit. I'm just gonna continue making flowers and we'll just see where it takes me. It's also 9:43, which for Saturday night, not my bedtime, but really it feels like my bedtime. Your lip's stuck. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't working the whole time on the flowers. I did have like a quick nap, but 1:06. So I think I should get to bed and then wake up early and finish it, you know? Also, I've been using New Smile retainers for over 6 months now. I'm on tray number 10. I did have braces before when I was younger, but unfortunately just over the years the retainers like didn't work. So I wanted to like straighten my teeth slightly more, just like make them perfect. And I'm over halfway done my trays. And personally, I just got the nighttime ones, but you can do like the ones that do all day, and it doesn't have to be like a subtle correction. It can be like a bigger correction, but mine was just more subtle, so I just went with the nighttime trays where I just wear them at nighttime and they straighten my teeth. So yeah, I do have a discount code and everything down below if you guys want to try it out, and I'll show you guys the progress of how my teeth look like before and after, halfway. So not perfect yet, but they will be. I have to pee. Oh gosh, isn't that the worst when you're like getting ready and then all of a sudden you're like, I have to pee. I have to pee. You're on the toilet, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. $7:20. So I got another good news, bad news scenario for you guys. Good news, I think I'm done the flowers. Bad news is I have no idea how I'm going to construct this top now. I think I'm happy with this arrangement. I'm going to try to use my thinner yarn here and just try to crochet these together. So I've been playing around with two different methods. The first method I was doing was just crocheting them together, which I don't know. I'm just like it's fine doing chains and just connecting them all, but that wasn't really my vision. I really don't want a third color or a 10th color. I don't want another color in between. I want it to be invisible, so I did a little bit, not the greatest. Then I went and I just got like my button thread here and I just started sewing the pieces like this. Way better. Way better. Probably should get ready. I look like a trash bag. Let's take this bad boy apart. I gotta show you guys something. For leftover pizza, cold pizza or warmed up pizza? Okay, this is what I'm actually gonna show you now. This might be the best thing I've ever created. Even better than the pizza I cooked. Is it lunchtime yet? So there was a couple awkward spots after I sewed together all these flowers, so I'm quickly just making a few more little babies. This one only took me 2 minutes to make. Okay, so my piece all sewn together. Everything's woven in. It's looking fabulous, but it is kind of looking a little wrinkled, like. Keep this on my body because this is just like a little flap right now. I need some straps here, and then I also need some strappies around the back so it stays up. I don't think you can help me with this part. I'm so excited to finish this top and wear it all summer. Who's phoning me? Hi.
Are you working?
You're on camera.
Oh. Hello.
Say hi.
Hi. So.
I made this.
That's cute.
Is it?
I was at Gap and they had like a fake kind of crochet dress.
Yeah.
And I looked at the price tag and it was $100 from Gap.
I do really like the look of an I-cord, so I'm actually going to knit the straps. And I'm pretty sure you can do an I-cord with a crochet hook. I just don't know how to, so I'm gonna do it with my needles. This is what it looks like. I decided I was gonna be lazy and just like attach it on both sides here, which honestly easier than like having to tie it every time. I think it's the right height. So this is what it's looking like so far. And now that I'm kind of done, you know, a lot of work to this top, I'm thinking I might change this in the future. So I don't want to go all out for the back straps because I think I might want to continue it and just like make a full tank top, finish the back here, maybe even continue it a bit more. Maybe it'll turn into a dress one day, I don't know. But I really don't want to spend that much time on the little crisscrossy straps because I probably will take them apart one day. So I'm just gonna chain stitch it and just have 2 straps holding it like this. Tie a little couple bows in the back, and then she is done. I'm not gonna lie, eating a whole pizza and then also eating a whole tub of Greek yogurt, a whole kilogram of it, stomach's not feeling too hot right now. I can't even see my head. So I'm done the top now, but I do have an idea. I feel like it might look good over top of this shirt. It also could be just worn as a tank, but I have a thing tonight and I don't have time to sew on the pads. And I'm also making this video like a day before I'm posting it, so live, laugh, love. So I'm gonna show this a different way I'd style it, aka over a top, so no one sees my nipples. But it's done. I'll show you guys. What do we think? I'm gonna give this a 9.9 out of 10 because I do think I want to change some things to it. I just absolutely love the flowers and how it turned out and how it looks. 10 out of 10. But I am going to critique myself that I do want to change the structure. I want to make it bigger. I want to do fully way around because I do just have it tied in the back like that, which perfect for summer, you know, especially if you want to do a nice back tan, you know, tan your back. Great. But I'm thinking I want it more like a tank, or that I feel really spontaneous and I want to spend like, I don't know, 100 hours more, a dress. Up close looky-loo if you want to see how it's turned out. Again, 9.9 out of 10. Pretty good, but not quite 10 out of 10. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There might be another video of me continuing to work on this top in the next coming week, so okay, but I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Look at my shoes first. I just wanted to show you this is what I would pair this top with, is these shoes. Okay, now I'm done. So I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.